صباح الخير. Good morning. Today is December 17, 2023. النهاردة December 17 2023. We're getting so close to Christmas. قربنا قوي على أعياد الميلاد. I'm gonna just share with you today the beautiful beach. It will be a short one. هشارك معاكم النهاردة البحر. هيكون فيلم قصير. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye bye. And here is the beautiful beach at the Riu Emerald Bay Hotel. البحر بتاع الفندق بتاع Riu Emerald Bay. Here is the surrounding of it. I just love those trees, the palm trees. بحب قوي الشجر الجميل ده. And look at the hotel, how big it is. الأوتيل كبير جدا. Lots of salespeople, but they don't come across the road. في ناس كتير بياعين هنا بس ما بيجوش بعد الحد. في حد ده الحدود ما بيننا وما بينهم. اللي عايز حاجة يجي ياخدها من عندهم. If someone wants to buy something, then they can cross the rope and come and get it. Today is a lovely day. النهارده يوم جميل and the sun is beautiful. There are some parachute sailing too. في ركوب الباراشوت كمان هناك. Okay, so this is it. Here is the rope that they have between us, between the hotel guest and the salespeople. في حبل هنا ما بيننا نزلاء الفندق والبياعين. Here is a parachute sailing. I can't even see if I am getting it or not. The sun is in my eyes. Oh.